What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to get Hulu absolutely for free for 30 days. So, when you go to Hulu website and you want to sign up for a plan, you'll get the option to start a free trial that lasts for a month. So that's a month or 30 days free trial where you can watch all the movies and shows that you want for free, absolutely without paying anything. And after the trial ends, you have the option to subscribe to a plan and continue watching movies and TV shows. So for the first 30 days, you are absolutely free to watch all the shows and movies that you want without paying anything. And when the 30 days trial ends, you can renew your subscription or subscribe and pay for a monthly plan.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.